Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I'm the activity author here to bring you another book inspired mini craft video. You know, this is my segment where I give you the same videos y'all love but just in shorter form. And if you don't know me, hey, I am Cheryl. I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So check out all of my mini videos here on this channel. I am sure you guys are gonna love your stay. So today's book is called The Giving Tree, written by Shel Silverstein, and that is one of my favorite authors. And guess what, guys? This is another collaboration video with my friends over at Kidz Stories and More. So if you have not heard this story, go to their channel right now. My friend Mimi here, as you can see on the screen, is amazing at reading children's books. She's a great storyteller. So she is going to be reading the story, The Giving Tree, and I am providing the craft. So please, if you have not heard this story, go to her channel. Her link is in the description box below. Go check out this video of her reading it and then go ahead and subscribe and stick around because you guys are gonna love their channel. I love their channel. I watch all their videos. It's so entertaining and just so much good stuff over there. So definitely stick around and check out my friend Mimi and tell her I said hey when y'all go over there, okay? Link is in the description box below. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the craft that I have for you here today, inspired by The Giving Tree. And let's get crafty. So one of the takeaway points for me and my family is that The Giving Tree is all about giving and spreading love. Because I don't want to spoil it. If you haven't read the story, just know that that's one of the concepts we took from it. So I decided that I'm going to show you guys how to make a tree that's all about love. So what we're gonna do is we're going to have you trace your child's hand, and then we're gonna make hearts right now, like I'm doing here on the screen. And I'm gonna show you two ways to make hearts. You can make hearts like this, where you do a half of a heart, you fold the paper and see how it makes a whole heart, or you can just cut out hearts. But I think this is the easiest way to make hearts. So I made several by combining sheets of paper together, and I created hearts, and these hearts are going to double as the leaves of our tree. So you remember, if you look at the story, I don't want to spoil it again, it's actually apples on the tree. So if you want to add the apples, you can go ahead and you can use a marker and draw the apples, or you can cut out little red circles and those can be the apples too. So you got some options there, okay? And when you finish doing your tree, it should look a little something like this. Something very quick and simple for you guys to do with the kids. All you need is construction paper, glue, and scissors for this. But I think this is a very unique craft that will spread lots of love, and it just turned out so well. So this is a great idea for you guys. This is what we decided to do, and I know there's so many crafts that you guys can do with The Giving Tree, but this is what we got, and I think it turned out amazing. So that's all I have for you guys here today. Remember, go to Kidz Stories and More and definitely hear this book. If you have not heard this book, y'all are missing a good book. Go over to Mimi's channel, check out the reading, so therefore you guys can pair it with this craft and have a fun time making it with kids. Just something simple for y'all to do on this lazy Monday, okay? And yeah, that is all we have for this. So if you guys felt like this video was too short, guess what? I got over 200 more videos for you guys to check out. So definitely stick around. If you came from Mimi's channel, hi, welcome, subscribe, stick around, and check out my many videos. Like I said, I have over 200 videos here for you guys to check out. So you got way more ideas and more things to get crafty with. So thank you guys, any new subscribers that come around, my OGs and my original subscribers, thank you guys as well for checking this video out. And click one of these two videos on the screen to keep the party going, and I will see you in that next video. Bye guys.